Imagine coming home to a place where every room feels intentional, every detail feels luxurious, and modern design meets everyday comfort. Today, we're taking a complete tour of a spectacular 6-bedroom modern luxury home designed around space, natural light, sophisticated materials, and timeless style. From the dramatic entryway and open-concept living room to the designer kitchen, elegant dining area, private bedrooms, spa-inspired bathrooms, and stunning outdoor spaces, this home is packed with ideas you can use in your own space. So let's step inside and explore what makes this home feel truly luxurious. Door 1. The grand entryway. The experience begins before you even enter the main living area. The oversized front door opens into a dramatic entryway with high ceilings, clean architectural lines, and an abundance of natural light. Instead of filling the foyer with furniture, the design keeps it minimal. A sculptural console table, oversized artwork, and a statement pendant light create visual interest without making the space feel crowded. And notice the staircase. Its simple geometry and streamlined railing add an architectural element while maintaining the home's minimalist aesthetic. This is a perfect example of how less can actually feel more luxurious. Couch and lamp 2. The luxury living room. Moving into the main living room, the first thing you'll notice is the incredible sense of openness. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring the outdoors inside while creating a strong connection between the interior and landscape. The furniture is modern but comfortable. A large sectional creates an inviting seating area, while a sculptural coffee table adds a sophisticated focal point. But the real star of the room is the fireplace wall. Natural stone or marble creates texture and visual depth, while subtle lighting emphasizes the material. The color palette stays relatively neutral: cream, beige, warm wood, and soft gray. This allows the architecture and materials to do the talking. Fork and knife with plate 3. The dining area. Just beyond the living room is the dining area. The dining table is large enough for entertaining, but the overall design remains elegant and uncluttered. A dramatic chandelier hangs above the table, immediately creating a focal point. The combination of natural materials, upholstered seating, and warm lighting gives the dining space a sophisticated but welcoming atmosphere. This is one of the key principles of modern luxury design. Create a statement, but don't create visual chaos. Cooking 4. The designer kitchen. Now we arrive at one of the most important spaces in the house, the kitchen. This kitchen combines functionality with a high-end aesthetic. At the center is a large island with a dramatic stone countertop. The cabinetry uses clean, handleless lines to maintain a seamless appearance. And instead of relying on one material, the designer combines stone, wood, metal, and glass to create layers of texture. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, while pendant lights provide a warm glow in the evening. The result is a kitchen that feels luxurious, but still designed for real life. Bed 5. The primary bedroom. Let's head into the primary bedroom. The design philosophy here is completely different from the dramatic entryway. Instead of making a bold statement, the bedroom focuses on calm and comfort. Soft neutral colors create a peaceful atmosphere. The oversized upholstered bed becomes the centerpiece, while layered bedding and textured pillows add depth. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide beautiful natural light, while carefully positioned lamps create a warmer mood at night. A small seating area near the window creates a perfect place to relax, read, or simply enjoy the view. This isn't just a bedroom. It's designed to feel like a private retreat. Bathtub 6. The spa-inspired primary bathroom, and connected to the primary bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom. The design combines large-format stone, minimalist fixtures, a floating vanity, and a sculptural freestanding bathtub. The walk-in shower features clean glass panels that keep the room feeling open. Notice the lighting. Instead of depending only on bright overhead fixtures, the bathroom uses layered illumination around the mirror, vanity, and architectural features. This creates a softer and more luxurious atmosphere. It's a great reminder that luxury isn't only about expensive materials. It's also about how those materials are presented. Trophy final design takeaways. So what can we learn from this 6-bedroom luxury home? Keep your palette controlled. Mix textures instead of adding too many decorations. Prioritize natural light. Use statement pieces strategically. And most importantly, design every room to feel connected. This home proves that modern luxury isn't simply about having more. It's about better proportions, better materials, better lighting, and intentional design. Which room was your favorite? The living room, kitchen, primary bedroom, or bathroom? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home tours, modern interior design, and 2026 home inspiration.